Hi and welcome back. In this lesson we will learn about the Java string pool by answering the very popular interview question: how can I create a string? Is there any difference between the ways? While answering this question, we will also understand what is string pool in Java. We will discuss the option programmer has to add a string to the string pool, and we will take a look on the sample code in order to check whether a string is taken from the string pool or it was created as a new instance on the memory. In order to answer this question, let's take a look on the Eclipse project, section 3, fundamental, and let's open the string sample class, which is under Computerate string package. Okay, we can see in the sample code that there are two ways to create string. One is by using the string with a double quote and a direct assignment without the new keyword, and the other one is by using the new keyword and string constructor in order to create the new string. Is there a difference between them? The answer is yes, there is a difference between the two ways. When we use double quote to create a string, it's first look for the string with the same value in the string pool. If such string exists on the string pool, it just returns a reference. If it doesn't exist, it creates a new string in the pool and then return the reference. So when creating a string with the new operator, the JVM creates a new string and allocate a new memory for it in the heap memory, even if it has the same value. Let's take a look on the string sample code. The first test, we will check if the first and the second string are the same. Because they were initialized with double quote, they were created in the string pool, and actually the second string is just a reference to the first string, so the answer is true. Yes, they are the same object in the string pool. The second test is whether the first string is the same as any new same string I'm creating with double quote. And the answer is true, yes, because it is also checked the string pool, and because it is already exists there, it returned the same reference. The third test is whether the second string is the same string I'm creating with double quote in another class. What do you think? Yeah, the answer is true, correct, because it is also created with double quote, it checking the string pool, and because it already exists there, it returned the same reference. Now the fourth test is whether the second string is the same as string I'm concatenating with the double quote. What do you think about that? Yes, the answer is true, correct, because when concatenating string, we actually creating a new string which is actually the same as already exists in the string pool, so it returned the same reference. The next test is checking if the first string and the third one are the same. As you can see, the third string was created with a new keyword, and it is not using the string pool, but the new memory allocation. So are they the same? The answer is false. No, they are not the same, as they don't share the same memory allocation. The next test is checking if the third string and the fourth one are the same. As you can see, both of them are created with a new keyword, and it is not using the string pool at all, but the new memory allocation. So, are they the same? The answer is false. No, they are not the same, as they don't share the same memory allocation. So let's run the program and see the real result. The results are as expected. I do encourage you to run the code, create your own test, and check the result by yourself. I believe this is the best way to learn.